Today marks a very significant milestone as MG India, under its Charge India initiative, starts the public charging stations at Imagicaa and Novotel Imagicaa, who allowed us to partner with them. We are very happy that MG India has been taking very strong steps to ensure that the charging infrastructure at public places across the country is made more accessible to its users, and we are thankful to all.
Today marks a special occasion as Imagicaa is celebrating its 10th anniversary. We are setting up a new EV station from MG Motors right here. Our partnership with MG Motor India is a significant step towards this environment initiative and our vision for Go Green.